Hello students, this is class 7th mathematics chapter number 2 fractional numbers, and now we are starting exercise 2.2. Let us have a look. Question number 1. Which of the drawing A to D show the first part is 2 into 1 upon 5. So first let us understand what is the meaning of 2 multiply 1 upon 5. You have to read this number as 2 times 1 upon 5. This is the meaning. 2 times यानी 2 बार 1 upon 5 यानी 1 upon 5 1 upon 5. This is the meaning, right? 1 upon 5 2 times. So in mathematics 2 into 1 upon 5. This is the meaning, right? Now let us see the figures. If you see this figure part A, what you will see, there are 3 parts. So one part is 1 upon 3. Got it? 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3, right? If you see this C part, one figure is divided into 4, so divided into 4, and this is one part, so it is what, 1 upon 4, right? This is 1 upon 4, every part is 1 upon 4, yani complete 1 is divided into 4 parts. So you have to see a figure means complete, a whole is divided into how many parts. So you have to count the number of parts. Got it? See this one, B part. In this B part, one figure is divided into 2 parts. So this is what, 1 upon 2. ये 1 upon 2 हुआ. Got it? See this D part. D part को देखिए. This one figure, one whole is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one part is what, 1 upon 5. 5 parts में divided है ना. So denominator आपको बताता है कि how many parts the figure is divided. ये 5 part में divided है. Got it? So when you will see the figure, you will guess कि how many parts, right? So now let us see. If I will show you A, B, C, D. So this one, the first part is 2 into 1 upon 5. So first find 1 upon 5. Which is 1 upon 5? Yes, this one is 1 upon 5. So what you will do, you have to look the figure and then write this is 1 upon 5, and how many these figures are there, 2, so multiply by 2. So this is what, 2 into 1 upon 5, right? Got it? Now this is first. Now let us find the second. The second one is 2 into 1 upon 2. So first find 1 upon 2. Which is 1 upon 2 among A, B, C, D? Yes, the B part is 1 upon 2. ये ना 1 upon 2? Yes. Now how many 1 upon 2 are there? कितने हैं ये? 1, 2. So 2. So it is 2 into 1 upon 2. ये हुआ second part, right? See the next, third. Third is what? Third में लिखा हुआ है 3 into 2 upon 3. So first see 2 upon 3, यानी first you have to find 3 part में the denominator is 3. So divide into 3 parts. So say A और C बताइए 3 part में which one is divided? Yes, this one is divided. First one is, this is divided into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3, 3 parts में divided है, and 2 are shaded. So 2 upon 3. So this is 2 upon 3, this is 2 upon 3, this is 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3 and how many? 3. So the number is 3 into 2 upon 3. This is A part, right? Got it? Now the fourth one is 3 into 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 कौन है? C part. Yes, this is 1 upon 4. और कितने हैं? 1 2 3. So 3 हैं. So 3 into 1 upon 4 ये है. So fourth one. Got it? So in this way you have to match the following. Numbers are given and figures are given, you have to match, right? Now let us see the question number 2. The question number 2 is, some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them shows. The first one, 3 into 1 upon 5. So first, can you find 3 into 1 upon 5? So first you have to find 1 upon 5 कौन है, ढूंढो इनमें. This is, बताइए 1 2 3 और 3 में से 1 is shaded, so 1 upon 3 हुआ, right? इसमें देखो 1 2 3 4 4 पार्ट्स हैं, मीन्स डिवाइडेड में 4 अपॉन 4 है. एंड हाउ मेनी शेड्स आर देयर? 3. सो 3 अपॉन 4 है ये, राइट? ये 3 अपॉन 4. यहाँ देखो नेक्स्ट this one. In this figure 1 2 3 4 5 parts are there, so divided में 5 and how many shades? 1, so 1 upon 5 है, right? So you can match, you can find. बताइए. Now the first one, 3 into 1 upon 5 कौन है? 3 into 1 upon 5 is this one, because this is 1 upon 5, this is 1 upon 5, this is 1 upon 5. So कितने हुए ये? 3. So 3 into 1 upon 5 equal to, now आगे क्या लिखा हुआ है? The product. देखिए 3 into 1 upon 5, तो 1 1 1 कितने हो गए? 3. So it is what? 3 upon 5. बन गया, right? So this is first one. ये first one के साथ मैचिंग हुआ. Similarly you have to find the second and third. दोनों को करेंगे, right? So you have to match the figure match करना है, right? Now let us see the third part, question number 3. The question is, multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into mixed fraction. So just have a look the first one. First you have to multiply. So the first is 7 into 3 upon 5. So multiply it. So 3 into 7, 3 into 7 is what? 21. So 21 upon 5. ये तो हो गया multiply. Now question is, reduce it into lowest term. Is lowest term means, can you cancel it? 21 and 5 cancel होगा? No, it will not be cancelled. It is already in lowest term, right? Now you have to convert it into mixed fraction. So 21 divided by 5, 5 से डिवाइड करो, 5 4 जा 20, right? What is the remainder? 1. So what you can write? 4 whole 1 upon 5. So this number will become 4 whole 1 upon 5, right? So this is the answer, right? When you will divide, तो 4 is the quotient, 4 क्या है? Quotient. And ये remainder, this 1 will go in the numerator, ये numerator में चला जाएगा, right? And this 5 will go in the denominator, ये denominator में आएगा, right? So in this way you can convert a number into mixed fraction. ये mixed fraction हो गया, right? So in this way you have to multiply. एक और देखते हैं अपन, just have a look. Let us see the eighth part. एट्थ पार्ट देखिए, 20 into 4 upon 5, इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, राइट? सो 20 into 4 upon 5. So first multiply 20 into 4. 20 into 4 is 80 upon 5, right? इसके नीचे कुछ नहीं है तो you can put 1 लगा सकते हैं. So 1 into 5 is 5. Right? Now let us divide it. 80 divided by 5, you can cancel it. 5 1 ja 5 and 16 5 is 80, so it is 16 upon 1, or you can write it 16 भी लिख सकते हैं. It is already in lowest term, अपने आप now it is converted into lowest term. हो गया बस. Got it? So in simple way, first you have to multiply, you have to reduce it, then you will get the answer, right? So कर सकते हैं इसको. दूसरे तरीके से भी कर सकते थे. See again, you can do this as 20 multiply 4 upon 5. इसको ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. 5 1 जा 5, 5 4 जा 20. Here you can cancel it, यहीं पर कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. अपॉन 1 लगा दो. नाउ सॉल्व इट. 4 into 4 क्या बना 16, एंड 1 into 1 इज व्हाट 1, सो यू विल गेट 16 आंसर, राइट. ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं, बोथ आर सेम. जो इजी लगे यू कैन डू, राइट. लेट अस सी वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. एक और देखते हैं 10th पार्ट, दिस वन. सो 15 multiply 3 upon 5. So first of all put 1 in the denominator. Now you can cancel it. 5 1 ja 5 and 5 3 is 15. So this will become 3 into 3 कितना हुआ 9, right, and 1 into 1 is 1. So the answer is 9. डायरेक्ट आ जाएगा, right. कम स्टेप लगेंगे, you will be more easy, you will be more comfortable to do in this way. Got it? Now you can complete this question number 3. Now let us see question number 4. Fourth question देखिए. See what is the meaning. Fourth is you have to shade 1 upon 2 of the circle in box. ये जो box है, in this box there are many circles. इसमें से you have to shade 1 upon 2 of these, यानी 1 upon 2 of means multiply, of means multiply of कितने, how many. So first you have to find the value. See 1 upon 2 of, now first you have to count the number of circles here. So 1 2 3, right. Then how many, 12. Got it? Or you can see 3 and this is 4, 3 into 4 is 12. So total number of circles are 12. So 1 upon 2 of 12, right. So first you have to count the number of circles, then multiply it. So 1 upon 2 of means multiply 12. Now first solve it. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 6 ja 12. So solve it. 6 into 1 is what 6, and upon what 1, so it is 6. So how many circles you have to shade, बताइए कितनी शेड करनी है इसमें से 6. कोई भी 6 को शेड कर दीजिए, right, कोई भी any 6, right. So in this way you can shade any 6 circles, right. Now the second part, it is 2 upon 3 of number of triangles. So first you have to find the value 2 upon 3 of number of triangles. So count number of triangle कितने हैं 9. So multiply it by 9. Now solve it. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 is 9, 2 into 3 is 6. So you have to shade how many triangles 6. So इसमें 6 shade कर दीजिए, any 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, any 6 you can shade. Got it? So in this way you have to do this fourth question. Third part you have to do by yourself, अपने आप करेंगे. Got it? Now let us see the fifth देखिए. What is the question? The fifth question is, again it is a very easy question. A part is 1 upon 2 of means multiply first part. So first put first part. 1 upon 2 of 24 of 24. इसको solve कर लीजिए. So 1 upon 2 of 24, find the meaning. 2 से cancel करो 12. So 12 into 1 is 12. upon 1. So what is the answer? 12. Got it? This is first part. Now let us see the second part. इसका second part देखिए. Second part is 1 upon 2. देखिए 1 upon 2 of this is what? 46. So 46. Now solve it. Cancel करो, 2 1 जा 2 and it is 23. So it is equal to 1 into 23 is what? 23 upon 1. So 23 is the answer. Got it? So this is first question. So in first part there are two parts, first part and second part. दो part हैं. You have to solve both of them. दोनों करेंगे. Now let us see D part. D part देखिए. D part is first one. So let us write first one. It is what? 4 upon 5 of what? 20. So 20. Now solve it. चलिए 5 1 जा 5, 5 4 जा 20. Now 4 into 4 is 16 upon 1. So 16 is the answer. Answer आ जाएगा 16. Now let us see the second part. Second part देखो. Second part is what? Again 4 upon 5 of 35. So you have to write 4 upon 5 of means multiply 35. So 35. So देखिए solve it. 5 1 जा 5 and 5 7 जा 35. So 4 into 7 is what? 28 upon 1. So 28 is the answer. Got it? So D में दो part हैं, first part, second part. Solve it, right? So in this way you can do this question. So this is your fifth. You can do it. Now see sixth question. Again almost all questions are same. Just the method is same in all the questions. Let us have a look on sixth question. First one is 3 multiply 5 whole 1 upon 5. So first let us write 3 multiply. Now 5 into 5 is 25. 25 plus 1 is 26. So it is 26 upon 5. Right? Now solve it. Can you cancel here any number? This is 3 upon 1. So now 3 into 26. 3 into 26. So write down 78 upon 1 into 5 is 5. Right? So it is 78 upon 5. So this is the product. Now in question it is written multiply and express as mixed fraction. So now you have to convert into mixed fraction. How you can convert it? So you have to divide. So 78 divided by 5. 5 से divide कर दो. 5 1 जा 5. Remainder is here it is 2 minus करेंगे. Then 8. 5 5 is 25. So 3, right? So 3 is the remainder. So 3 जाएगा ऊपर. You will get 3 upon 5 आएगा नीचे. So the number is 15 whole 3 upon 5. Right? So this is what? This is the product. Answer आ गया. Got it? So first part is 3 into 5 whole 1 upon 5. इस तरीके से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. राइट? लेट अस सी वन मोर. एक पार्ट और देखेंगे. लेट अस सी ई पार्ट. ई देखिए 3 होल 1 अपॉन 4 इंटू 6. सो 3 होल 1 अपॉन 4 इंटू 6. सो first solve it. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So 13 upon 4 into 6. Got it? Now 6 upon 1. Now solve it. See 4 and 6 there is a common factor. You can cancel it. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Right? If you can cancel it, reduce it. Now 13 into 3, 13 into 3 is what? 39 upon 2 into 1 is 2. So it is 39 upon 2. Now you can convert it into mixed fraction. Again 39 को divide करेंगे 2 से. What you will get? 2 1 जा 2, 1, 9. So 2 9 जा 18. You will get 1 remainder. So you will, what number you will get? 19 whole. क्या आएगा? 1 upon, yes, 1 upon 2. So 19 whole 1 upon 2. So this is the answer. Right? Got it? So in this way you can do this question. This is your question number 6. कर लेंगे. Now let us see 7th part. 7th, there is no difference between 7th and 6th. 6th same वैसा ही question है. See the first one, A part. What is this? 1 upon 2 of. देखिए 1 upon 2 of. This is what? 2 whole. This is first part, so put first part. 2 whole 3 upon 4. So it is what? First part. So solve करेंगे. 1 upon 2 multiply. Now 4 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 11 upon 4. Now solve it. अब इसको आगे solve कर लीजिए जैसे अभी solve किया था. 1 into 11 is 11 and 2 into 4 is 8. So 11 upon 8. मिक्स में चेंज करना चाहते हैं, यू कैन चेंज इट. गॉट इट. दिस इज फर्स्ट पार्ट. इसका सेकेंड पार्ट देखो. सेकेंड पार्ट इज अगेन सेम. 1 upon 2 ऑफ दिस, यानी 1 upon 2 ऑफ 4 whole 2 upon 9. सो सॉल्व इट. दिस इज सेकेंड पार्ट. सेकेंड पार्ट है ना ये. सो 1 upon 2 मल्टीप्लाई 9 4 is 36. सो प्लस 2 38 upon 9. So now you can again solve it. कुछ कैंसिल होगा? No. So 1 into 38 is 38 upon 2 into 9 is 18. You can cancel. It can be reduced here also. 2 1 is 2 or 19 2 is 38. So it is 19. So 1 into 19 instead of 38 upon 18, you can directly cancel it and you can get 1 into 19 is 19 upon 1 into 9 is 9. So 19 upon 9. This is the answer. You can reduce it into mixed fraction. कर लेंगे. So in this way you have to solve this question, 7th question. You can do it now. Now let us see 8th part, last question of this exercise. The question is, Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic, right? Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Okay, how much water they were having? 5 liters. Vidya consumed 2 upon 5 of the water. See what is the meaning? 2 upon 5 of the water. How much? 5 liters. So 2 upon 5 of 5. Who consumed? Vidya consumed. So Vidya consumed 2 upon 5 of 5. This is the meaning. Now it means 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5. So 2 into 1 is 2. So 2 liter. So बताइए, Vidya consumed how much? 2 liter. 2 liter Vidya ने consume किया. Now the next part, Pratap consumed the remaining water. अब प्रताप ने कितना consume किया? Yes, 2 liter Vidya ने consume किया. Then total was 5. तो प्रताप ने कितना consume किया? Yes, 5 minus 2, so 3 liter. So 3 liter Pratap. So the first part is, how much water did Vidya drink? Vidya ने कितना water लिया? Got it? ऐसे solve कर लेंगे. 2 liter. Then second part, what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? Pratap ने कितना consume किया? So Pratap consumed 3 out of 5 liter. Got it? 3 liter out of what? 5 liter. So 3 upon 5. Pratap consumed 3 upon 5. राइट, दिस इज द सेकेंड पार्ट. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट है, सेकेंड पार्ट है, यू कैन डू इट. ये दोनों पार्ट कर लेंगे. दिस इज योर 8th क्वेश्चन. सो इन दिस वे you have to finish this exercise 2.2. कर लेंगे. Got it? Thank you.